Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone. Very quickly in this video, I will be showing you how you can trade your tokens, your cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain using Jupiter. Jupiter. So we are going to be using Jupiter for our swapping. So we can use the radium.io. So if you have not watched the video that I did on how you can trade your Solana, your coins on the Solana blockchain on radium.io, I would recommend that you watch the video. So but in this video we are going to be trading or swapping our cryptocurrencies, our tokens on the Solana blockchain using Jupiter. Jupiter. So right now, let's open your software wallet. Your software wallet. So as I've said, you can either use the Phantom wallet or the software wallet. But for me, I'm using software wallet. Although I have both on my phone. So right now, click on software, so and then authenticate your login into your wallet. So right now, this is my wallet. This is what I have currently. So right now, click on this. Click on this browser icon, and then you type in Jupiter, J-U-P, J-U-P dot A-G, J-U-P dot A-G. So as you can see here, you already have it here. So because I've visited the website before, so just enter and allow it to load. So the wallet is connected already. The wallet is connected already. So just as you can see, we have 0.0317 Solana. That is what I have in my wallet, and I want to swap it with another coin, which is X coin meme. So it's another coin that is on the Solana blockchain. So right now, what are you going to do? It's for us to go and get the contract address of the coin from coin market cap. So because sometimes when you come online and you type the name, you might not get the coin directly if they are not popular coins that has been gone through a lot of scrutiny. So most times you have to go to coin market cap to actually get those coins. So right now I'm on the coin market cap website. So as you can see here, I have the coinmarketcap.com. So now click on this search icon. So then type in the name of the coin that you are looking for. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm looking for X coin meme. So it's not showing me. So let's type only X. Yet I can't find what I am looking for. So anyway, wherever you get the signal for you to buy the coin, definitely you should be supplied with the contract address. So right now, let me get the contract address from one of my wallets. Let me get the contract address from one of my wallets so I can get the contract address from there. So as you can see, I have the coin already here. So just click on the coin and then click on about. So you can see the mint address. So click on these three vertical dots and then you click on view on explorer. So it will take us to SoulScan. So SoulScan is a website for scanning coins that are on the Solana blockchain. So what are you going to do here now is click on this blue address. So it will take you to where you get to see it in full. So this is the details of the coins that I want to buy. So these all the details of the coin that I want to buy. Token hex. The market summary is showing that it is 9 billion current supply. So the token name is hex and the token address is this. Token address is this. So just click on this. I hope you see. So you've already copied the token. So you can see there are different ways in which you can get the contract address of the coin you are looking for. So right now, let's go back to our software wallet. Let's go back to our software wallet. So right now we are back. So let's go back to the portfolio, the wallet that I want to use for the transaction. So right now, let's go back to our browser, as you can see here. So click on it. So I'm trying to let you see all the activities or the steps that I go through, just in case you too are experiencing such a kind of hindrance while you want to make your purchase or your trade. So I intentionally didn't cut off all of this from the video. So all right, so just click on this USDT, click on it, USDC, and then you paste the contract address that you've copied. You paste it there. So right now, what you can see here is it has already searched the coin for you, and it's telling you that the coin has not been authenticated. So sometimes you buy some coins, they call them shit coins. So in one of these days, I'm going to make videos on what shit coins are and how you can get to know the good shit coins that you can go for. But for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how you can swap coins on the Solana blockchain using the Jupiter.ag platform. I hope you get it. So you can use it for any coin that you know. So you want to swap Solana with any other coin that you know. So just follow this same process, you will get it done. So right now, just click on the search, click on what it has brought for you. So right now you will have, you can see that this place has changed from USDC to hex. You can see it has changed from USDT to hex. So right now let's just type in what we want to buy. So I want to buy just $1 worth of this coin. So let's just type in the $1 worth of the coin in Solana, 0.001. Okay, 0.0. Okay, so 0.011. So 0.011, that is $1 will give us 1,228,000 value of hex coin. So just click on swap. Click on swap, as you can have it here. Click on swap. So price warning, looks like you are getting a bad price. Are you sure you want to continue with this trade? So because sometimes it's give you some kind of suggestions. If you can reduce, you can use some limit order to make your transaction. So it depends. Do you get it? So you can use the limit order to make your transactions and stuff like that. So but for the sake of this tutorial, you can just go ahead. I know what I am doing. So and definitely you know what you are doing. So right now we've already swapped $1 for 1 million plus of the X coin. So that's just the simple way to go about trading cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain using the Jupiter platform, Jupiter JUP.ag. So I'm going to drop the link to Jupiter.ag on in the description below so that you can always get to pick it up and use it for your transaction. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel and also put on your notification bell so that you can get to be alerted when new video drops. Until next time, bye.